evening. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken salad, Laos style. In Laos, this chicken salad is called Larb Gai. We are going to start with 2 whole chicken breasts that I got from the supermarket. You could also buy an uncooked chicken breast and grill them yourself if you like, but I bought this whole roasted chicken that I took out just the breast. And also I'm using the chicken skin, the skin that's on top of the breast as well, because it makes the breast nice and moist. It helps keep it moist. And then from this, I'm going to put it in a mixing bowl. And then with this chicken breast, I'm going to add roasted sticky rice that you can buy in a Southeast Asian market. You can just go in and ask them for a roasted sticky rice. Or you can make them yourself. You can just buy a sweet rice. It's called a sweet rice, sticky rice. And then you just put it in a small little pan and you just roast it like you're roasting nuts. So here I am in a mixing bowl with the chicken breast in there and the skin. I just put in my roasted sticky rice. That is about 2 teaspoons of roasted rice. This is 1 small teaspoon of a chili pepper that's been also roasted, dry chili pepper that's roasted as well. And again, you can get all these ingredients in the Southeast Asian market, like Thai market and Lao market and any type of Southeast Asian. And then now that I put the rice, the chili pepper, I'm going to put in the fresh chili pepper as well. That's optional. I like mine a little bit spicier than normal, so I'm adding about 3 chili pepper that I chopped up myself, and it's fresh. And then this one is kaffir lime leaf. Kaffir lime leaf, you can find this in, again, any Southeast Asian market. And if you can't get a fresh one, you can get the frozen one as well. It will work just fine. But I have a fresh one, and this is how it looks like. So as you can see how it looks like. So I'm going to put this in. And this is about 4 leaves worth. And then now I'm going to put in Golonka. Golonka is a family of ginger, but it's a little bit more chewier than ginger and not as spicy as ginger. I mean, it all depends on which batch you're getting. But this is Golonka. Again, you can find them in the Southeast Asian market. I'm going to put this in. And then again, that's about half a stalk. So this is like I took a small little stalk and I cut it in half. And then I dice it up, and this is how it looks like. So that's the Golonka. And I put in 2 stalks of lemongrass, small lemongrass, fresh lemongrass. You can buy this again at Southeast Asian market. And then I put in half of a red onion. So take a large red onion and cut it in half, and then take that half and then chop it up finely or small. Put that in. And then I'm going to put in my fish sauce. This is a 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And fish sauce is already salty, so you don't need to add any more salt to it. And then I'm going to squeeze in, I have 4 lime cut up here, so I'm going to use, and I cut into 4 pieces. So I'm going to use 1 first. And again, this is going to give you that sour taste to it. And it all depends on how sour you like it. So start with 1 first, and if you want a little bit more sourness, you can add extra lime. But I'm starting with 1 first. So just bring it up, sprinkle it around. Squeeze it in there. And then I'm going to mix it. Let me grab a paper towel. And then I'm going to mix this up. So you mix it up like this. Mix it up really well so all the lime juice and the fish sauce and all the Golonka, chili powder and onions and all that stuff all mixed in there. I'm going to taste it. Okay, I like this. It's perfect for my taste. And I'm gonna put another quarter of lime, because I like it just a bit more sour. So it's gonna be one whole lime, and then another one is a quarter. So 1 1/4 lime. And then mix it again. That should be good for my taste. So now that your whole salad is mixed, you're gonna add all your herbs in, because you don't want to bruise your herbs. So you put the herbs last. So I'm gonna put in my cilantro, because I love cilantro. And then I'm putting in my spring onion, or they call them scallion. And this is how it looks like. So there's about 4 stalks of this and half a bunch of cilantro. So I'm putting that in. And then I'm putting in my mint. Here's my mint. I'm mixing it all up. So here it is. It's all mixed together. So I'm taking a nice white plate, and I'm going to put down some nice romaine lettuce, because you're gonna you can eat it with sticky. Traditionally, you eat it with sticky rice, but I'm actually on a low carb diet, so I'm going to serve it with eating it with lettuce and vegetables. So here's my romaine lettuce, and these are some of my delicious radicchio. I love radicchio. So I'm gonna, because you're gonna use this almost like a spoon or a wrap. So you're gonna wrap it like that. And then I'm gonna put some cucumbers here, like that. These are Kirby's, little baby Kirby's. You can serve it with those English cucumbers or whatever vegetables that you like. And this is radish, these large radish. So I'm gonna put them here like that. And then I love eating it with my dill. I love dill. So you can also serve it with cabbage as well. Red cabbage, white cabbage, whatever you prefer. So we're gonna serve it like that. And then I'm gonna scoop up the salad and then put it in the middle. And this is so good for you when you're working out and you want to eat something lighter and leaner. And it's very clean eating, very refreshing, because you have all those fresh herbs and that citrus taste of the lime. And it's great for entertaining in the summertime. It's a great way to get to your chance to eat a lot of vegetables. So this is how I'm going to serve it. Just like that. Just a little bit more. Okay, so then you're gonna, when you're eating it, you're just basically taking the radicchio or the lettuce, and then you're just gonna scoop it on top of it with all the different Kirby's or radish that you like, and then you just eat it. So it can be like a chicken wrap. And this is how it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? It's very clean, refreshing, and very summery and beautiful to serve your guests and friends. So please like us, please subscribe to us, and please keep cooking with us. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you very much.